zoomed in kind of close. I did not change my lens today, and I don't have on any makeup, but I wanted to go ahead and open my Ipsy. So I resubscribed to Ipsy, but I did it a little bit differently this time. So they had a thing where you could get a free thing they call it refreshments for your first time, because I came back from not having it for a while. And so I have that. I probably won't keep that unless the stuff is really good, because it does cost every month. But I've got that. So I actually ended up doing the Glam Bag X. So I got the deluxe Glam Bag, and then every quarter you get like extra stuff. So I have that to open as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start with the refreshments just because it's a smaller package. So I will have more Ipsy stuff when the normal bag comes. I splurged a little this year. Since it's a yearly subscription, I got like extra things. So I have like the normal and the other one. So the first thing that I have in here is this really nice like little bag. This feels really nice and it's really cute. It's kind of like a silky thing. So then, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm trying to like get everything where you can see it since I have the close-up camera on. So in here, it comes with some like little stickers. There's like really, I don't know how well you guys can even see them, but so you can have those for things. And then the first thing in here is cleansing face wipes. There are 30 in here. Now I need to check the ingredients and see if there are aloe in these, because a lot of times there is, but let's see. Yes, so there's aloe in these, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use these or not, because I'm allergic to it. So I kind of figured it was, but there was no way for me to check that I saw. But that is the first thing in here. And then the other thing in here is a Luscious hand cream. So let's see what that smells like. I'm going to open it up so I can see what it smells like. It's a very thick hand cream. It doesn't really have that much of a scent, to be honest. Like, it seems pretty, like, unscented. But that is the hand cream, so that's what you get in the refreshments. I'm pretty sure you can choose, like, different items, but that's just, like, the free ones that they gave. And then let me go ahead and get this opened up. I really need to learn to open these before I start, but okay. So I definitely messed up the box there, but let's go ahead and see what is in here. So it's very well packaged. It comes with like a little magazine with like tips and stuff like that. The Glam Bag X was Becky G this time, so I've got that little magazine. And then let's see what's in here. So the first thing that I have in here is the Nuco. It is a Magnesium Ease Soothing Massaging Body Spray. So apparently you can like spray, you put like 12 sprays on the clean dry skin before bed or post workout and massage it in, and apparently it helps with like soreness. So that is the first thing. Then the next thing that I have in here is Moonrock's Whipped Body Scrub. Blue Tansy, Lavender, Dreamcatcher Oil, and Jojoba Oil. So this is just a typical body scrub. Let's see what this smells like. You guys know what like the blue popsicle smell like? There's like a specific one with the ice pops. This smells exactly like that, or like maybe a blue icy. But that smells really nice. So that is the next thing that I have in here. I actually need to smell this. I didn't like spray it to smell it. This doesn't have much of a scent, which is good. So it wouldn't like be overpowering or anything. The next thing that I have in here is SOS Save Our Skin. It is Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. So SOS helps seriously soothe stressed out skin. Our hero ingredient, hypochlorous acid, maximizes your good skin days by reducing the appearance of redness and supporting the skin's renewal process. So basically it says file under a skincare life raft in the middle of an angry skin episode. Use AM and PM in place of toner and as needed through the day. So I guess like you can just keep spraying this on and it helps with like the redness and stuff in your face, which I actually might be using a little bit because I'm having like, I feel like my skin doesn't look as good because I haven't been doing as good a job taking care of it. So that is the next thing in here. Next up, let me see, I have Stila One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. So it says all-in-one serum primes, color corrects, brightens, and moisturizes skin. Triple swirled helix formula evens out complexion, counteracting redness, dark circles, and sallowness. Specially formulated with Arclay Youth Revival bioavailable mineral complex. So that is the next thing. Let's see how the shade is. First of all, that is absolutely gorgeous. And the way, I don't know if you guys can see that, like the way that they have it in there, but that is very nice. But let's see, let's do a pump of it and see how it comes out. Okay, so all three of the colors come out. This is a primer, so since I don't have anything on my skin right now, I am going to put it on and we'll see what happens. So, got like redness and stuff right now, you guys can see. First of all, it smells pretty good and that looks gorgeous. But let's see how it looks in the skin. It feels pretty nice on the skin. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit. So it's supposed to be skin tone correcting and brightening. But this is what it is. I don't personally see any massive difference just with the primer. I mean, my skin feels nice, but I will keep testing it out. We'll try it with makeup and stuff as well, but you guys let me know if you see any difference just with the primer that I just put on throughout the video. So that was that. Next up in here, I have the Love Sprung Artist Couture Love Sprung Base Palette. So if I'm not mistaken, this is a blush palette. First of all, I love the pink packaging. Then this is what it looks like. And then if you open it up, these are the shades in here. And they're very pretty. So I've got like, I haven't done these in a while with the mirrors, but I've got like this pretty pink one. And then like this deeper rose. And then this one I feel like for me would be more of like a highlight or an eyeshadow. But those are the colors in here. So I'm very excited to test that out. So that is the Love Sprung palette. Next up, very excited to try this. I have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, which I've never tried any of her stuff. This is Body Sauce. It's a body luminizing tint. So, massage well if needed, pump and squeeze tubes simultaneously to release air. So I'm not entirely sure. It says lightweight all over glow instant body blur. So I guess this is basically a primer for your body. But this is what it looks like. It's a fairly nice sized tube. And I got it in Pearl Swirl. Not sure what color that's going to be. We'll see. Let's just pump a little bit out. It's a little bit dark, but let's see how it looks on the skin. Okay. I mean, considering that I would be putting it on like the whole area, I feel like it actually blends pretty well. And it actually smells pretty good, so I'm excited to try that out. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Next in here, I have another Refreshment Velvet Body Cream. I think this might be the same as the small one I have. Okay, so this one was Luscious Hand Cream. This is a velvety body cream in coconut. Let's see if this one has more of a scent to it when I open it. Yes, so this one smells very, very nice. It's very coconutty. So I'm very excited for this one. Hopefully I can use it and it doesn't break me out. I don't see aloe on this one, so hopefully I'm not just missing it. But that is that. Next up, I have the Sculpt Lift Bar 24K Gold. The contouring facial massage of our luxurious 24K Gold plated vibrating bar helps to smoothen, depuff, lift, and relax facial muscles at 6,000 vibrations per minute. Directions. To turn on the vibration, twist the bottom of the bar anti-clockwise. Place it on desired parts of your face like the jawline, laugh lines, cheek, chin, and forehead, and massage in a circular or upward motion. The vibration mimics the effect of a massage and helps relax the facial muscles. For best results, use on cleansed skin and pair with a serum or a moisturizer. Okay, and it is battery operated, so that's what the box looks like. Let's get out the actual product. So it comes with its own like very nice little case here. And this is the actual item. So I don't know if it has batteries in it already. I'm going to say it probably doesn't, considering it's not doing anything. Okay guys, so I'm not entirely sure where my camera stopped recording, but I know I was showing you guys this and I went to get batteries for it. So let me go ahead and pop some in. How long did it say it uses? Doesn't actually say, so I guess I will put one in and see if that is enough. Might just be one, it doesn't look that deep. Really need to learn to open things. Alright, there we go. Yes, so it is one AA battery. Prefer chargeable, but this is fine. Alright. Okay, so all the way is off, and then you unscrew it just a little bit to turn it on. And then, ooh, that actually feels quite nice. It's got like this smooth part. To be honest, I actually quite like this. I'm going to see if I can remember to actually use it every day, and I will let you guys know what I think of it, but right now I like it. So next up in here, okay, so there's another refreshment thing in here. It is the Luxe 5-blade razor kit. Glide gracefully over curves and make way for smooth, built-in soothing strip, 5 blades for an extra close shave, helps prevent bumps and burns. Okay. So I did not realize this was in here. Let me go ahead and pull it out and see. Okay, so it looks like it comes with one of the things for the shower. It comes with the razor, and then there are 2 cartridges in here. So I will test out their razor and let you guys know what I think of it. I've never used one of theirs. This is brand new to me, but that is in there. And then it looks like 2 more things. Next up, I have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lipstick. Okay, so this is in the color Rose. So it comes in this very, very pretty gold packaging. It's from Tarte. And then this is the lipstick. It's kind of like it's like a rosy color. So very excited to try that out. Love Tarte, so let you guys know what I think of that. And then I think, yes, it looks like this is the last item. Oh, okay, they sent 2 of these. So they sent 2 of these razors, so that's just another of the same. So I'm pretty sure these are exactly the same. Yes, so now I have 2 of all of these. So I can either keep them or gift one to one of my friends. But that is everything in here. I'm pretty happy with it. Like, with this, I got like a really good amount of stuff, so I really feel like it's worth the money that I spent on it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, doing the full-size products is not the cheapest option, obviously. Like I said, I did end up getting the normal bag as well. I was planning on just getting the one and then I got roped in, but I'm very happy with this. I don't mind that I bought this, so I am going to keep trying to do these every month if I remember and showing you guys. And because this is Ipsy and it's like makeup and beauty, I'll be able to review basically everything on my blog. So you guys stay tuned if you're interested. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!